Hi, I'm Linda with Energy Improvements. I work for the company, but before I was employed here, we kept hearing about energy savings that our friends were receiving as customers of Energy Improvements. We were interested in saving money on rising energy bills, so we tried all sorts of different energy-saving products. We installed solar fans, solar screens, window film on our windows, attic fans, wind turbines on our roof, with not much success in reducing our energy costs. We decided to try Energy Improvement Shield and saw an immediate reduction in our bills of up to about 30%. That savings has continued, and so I decided that I'd like to help other people every day learn about Energy Improvement Shield Radiant Barrier and reduce their energy cost.